Hello, Vinaka, and welcome to learning the Fijian alphabet. My name is Tukai, and my friend there will introduce himself as well.
Hola Vinaka, my name is Lion Rahui, and today I'll be learning Fijian.
Oh, Vinaka, and yeah, my friend Lion is from the Cook Island, and this is his first attempt at learning the alphabet and the vowels as well. So hopefully this can also benefit those of you who will eventually be watching this on YouTube, and we hope to put out further content such as this as we progress in our journey of learning the Fijian alphabet and learning eventually down the line to read in Fijian as well, and to attempt to speak it too. So here we go. So what we're gonna do today is first of all learn the Fijian vowels, and how we are going to do this is all I need from you, Lion, is to just watch and the screen, which of course I'm sharing with you, and then as I pronounce the letters, individual letters, try to the best you can as you hear to imitate the sound that I make as I say each letters of the vowel, and then later on the alphabet. And that is how kids learn language. They don't understand rules of grammar and all that, because as you know, growing up as kids, all we did was just listen and imitating our parents as they speak, and that is how we learn language. So this is how we are going to do it here. So with a votu is the Fijian name for vowels. And as we know, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters of the vowels. So here we go. Fijian votu. A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U,
Can we do that again, please? A,
A,
E,
E,
I,
I,
O,
O,
U.
U.
Well, you did very well there. Thank you. Was there any question
Vinaka.
on that?
That was pretty straightforward. That was good. That was good.
Okay. Naka, let's go on to the next one. The Matua Vosa, or the Fijian alphabet. As you can see down the bottom here, compared to the English, we have 23 letters of the Fijian alphabet. So let's do the same thing with what we did there with the Votu. Or I'll say the individual letters of the Matua Vosa, and all you do is imitate me as I go along. Okay, here we go. A,
A,
Mba,
Ba,
Da,
Va,
Da,
Da,
E,
E,
Pa,
Pa,
Nga,
Na,
I,
I,
Ta,
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 La,
La,
Ma,
Ma,
Na,
Na,
O,
O,
Pa,
Pa,
Nga,
Ga,
Ra,
Ra,
Ta,
Ta,
Sa,
Ta,
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 U,
U,
Va,
Va,
Wa,
Wa,
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
Okay. Was there anything that wasn't clear to you of the letters?
Uh, I just realized I didn't realize that the C's made a TH sound.
The C.
Yeah, the Fijian language. That's
Okay.
interesting.
Yes, yes, interesting. So that is why we see a lot of commentators commentating on rugby, Fijian rugby players playing overseas with their names starting with C. They will always say Ka, Kaka, or so like that. Eh?
Oh man.
Yeah, yeah, but it is you're correct there. Yeah, the sound is a th, the, amba, the,
Shambhala.
yeah,
Oh,
amba, the, da, e. All right. Let's do the first line again once more there.
yeah,
And we'll try and do it we'll quicken the pace a little bit, okay?
yeah,
Okay, you ready?
yeah.
Okay. Ah,
Ah,
ba,
ba,
la,
the,
da,
da,
e,
e,
winaka. Okay, let's try that one. Fa,
pa,
nga,
ga,
i,
e,
cha,
cha,
ka,
ka,
la,
la,
ma,
ma,
na,
na,
o,
o,
pa,
pa,
nga,
ga,
ra,
ra,
sa,
ta, sa.
pa.
Oh, sorry. Can you please repeat that?
Okay, let's start again from the beginning there in that line. Nga, nga,
Ga,
ra,
ra,
sa,
sa,
pa,
ta,
u,
u,
va,
va,
wa,
wa,
ya.
ya.
Right. Well, there you go. That's the end of it. The Fijian vowels and the Fijian alphabet. So we're going to post this. So for you, um, you can actually then go back to what we've posted and rewind the lesson until just to help you to get it clear in your mind. Because a lot of this exercise is just by repetition, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, and as you go through that, and I'm gonna, if I haven't mailed it to you, I'll mail this to you again. Then you can put it on your notice board or on your fridge, and as you go along, you can say this, you can repeat it until it becomes second nature, just like the English alphabet.